All right, Tuesday, March the 12th. The three pairs that I'm in right now, US dollar CHF, AUD US dollar, and Euro CHF. I'm going to bring you through them real quick. So, the reason why I got in this trade to begin with was price is in the top high value area up here. High value, low value. This is what price action tells me. So, now I can look for a sell. So, I'm looking at a couple of M formations. Big M formation here. So I know that this pair is throwing those patterns. Let's take a closer look. So I moved my stop into profit. This was my original stop loss. I moved it to here. Usually what I would do is 1% in profit, 1% in profit. You know, and once I'm in 2% in profit, I'll move it up to 1. Once I'm in 3%, I'll move it up to 2, something like that. That would be, perfect trade management. And we don't have time to do that. So what I did today is secure my profit for the day. I wanted to make sure I get my 2% for the day. So that's what I did. I moved all the stops up till I'm at my 2%. Anyways, I anticipate this making an M formation. So I'm going to make a little bit on this way down. I anticipate it to come back up, break through this a little bit and grab my order, pretty much the same order. And then I'll take it down, and that'll be the real push that I'm looking for. That is, Euro CHF. US dollar, CHF, kind of the same setup. I don't have the control line drawn on here, but you can basically see what's going on here. There's not much price in this lower section, and there's a lot of price in the top section, so I can look for a sell. Show you what I'm talking about. Something like that. That's the control. Price touches control a lot, comes up, touches it. Comes down, touches it. That's why it's control. So anyways, so I can look for a sell. Also looking at the same type of M formation. M formation here. I expect to take this one all the way down though. I don't think I'm going to have to re-enter this one. I think that'll be just fine. It seems to be slowly pushing down. Somewhere around here for my take profits. What I'll also do is I'll mark up one here and maybe like another one. So I'll just trail this down. If I get a good push, it hits my take profit, perfect. If not, I'll just manage the trade all the way down. But anyways, I got into that trade for pretty much the same reason. Like I said, it's in high value area, so I can take it down. It's all about following the rules. Next pair, AUD US dollar. Originally, I got in the trade because we are bouncing off of this good support. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Kind of breaking the rules a little bit for price action because I should only be selling this area, or I should be waiting till I get down into my big buy zone. I mean, this would have been perfect if I would have, made a buy zone around here. I mean, it would have reached out and touched it, or you would have thought that I told him to get that. But yeah, that would have been perfect right there. That's kind of another reason why I do have this buy zone here, because I think it might touch down in that area again. Anyways, so move my stop loss from here. That's roughly around probably around 1.5%, something like that. But anyways, I put it right up under structure. I feel like it is. This is the close right here. I put it in the wick somewhere. It's fine. I hope for that to take off as well. But yeah, those are the three that I'm looking at right now. I'll put out a couple more later. And, if I see anything that comes up, y'all be the first to know. See ya.